Hi all, good morning. Welcome to Amal Cloud Blogs. In today's video, we are going to learn about AWS EC2 Image Builder service. Let us first talk about what is EC2 Image Builder. EC2 Image Builder is a fully managed service from AWS which is available for you zero cost. This is used to build, customize and deploy OS images without writing scripts. What it means. Let us basically see how this AC2 image builder works, right? Let us assume that you have an image, so you take your source image and AC2 image builder you will configure pipelines and recipes to install your required software. It can harden your image based on the customization you provide. It can test the configurations before you finalize your image. And once everything is done, it will convert it into an AMI or a Docker image and it can be distributed across multiple AWS accounts and multiple AWS regions. So we are in the EC2 image builder screen. We will create a new pipeline. So I will give a name for my pipeline. You can schedule your pipeline, image pipeline to run either on a particular schedule or you can run it manually. So let us assume that no, you need to basically schedule it to run every month. The next step is to uh, choose your recipe. Here I am basically going to create a new recipe, and the first thing to do is you need to basically select your image type. So you can either select it to create an AMI or a Docker image. Once you select it, you need to provide a recipe name and a version. The next step is to select your base image. You can select it from a variety of AWS Marketplace images or from your own custom AMI. So I'm selecting a Windows Server 2016 image here. You can provide your user data, which can be used during the launch configuration. You need to provide your working directory. The next step is to define a build or a test component. So what is a build or a test component, right? You click on create component, which will take you to say, either a build component or a test component. And this is a place where you are defining what software need to be installed and how it need to be installed. I'm going to create a build component for Windows operating system. I'm encrypting my uh, build component using a KMS key. I'm providing the compatible OS versions. I will give a name for my build component and I will basically version it for a record purpose. Now, build component or test component, you are actually writing it in the YAML format. In this example, I am actually building or I am installing MS Edge software. I am downloading it from the web and installing it. Once installation is done, I am basically deleting the source file. So click on create component to create your build component. Once it is created, you can basically search you from your build components and you can select the ones which is created by you, or you can select it from the ones which is available in the AWS repository. You can select, you can create test component. Here I am selecting a default component to check my network connectivity, whether everything is fine or not. I can encrypt my EBS volume and I can change the size of my volume. So I am basically changing as it is Windows, I am changing it to 60 GB. You can provide tags and on the next page you need to basically define your infrastructure components. So let us basically talk about what is infrastructure component, right? Infrastructure components are infrastructure configuration is your configuration which is used for that temporary VM, right? Or what is your EC2 uh, what is your EC2 configuration. So you need to provide a name for that. You need to select an IAM role. You have default role available, default policies available. You can create your own custom policies if you want to provide additional access, like if you want to give S3 bucket permissions and all. You need to select the image type. You need to select the VPC storage, sorry, VPC and security group where you need to place your EC2 instance. Also, you need to select the key pair which will be used to retrieve the password, or and you can provide the S3 bucket where the entire EC2 image builder logs will be saved. Once you select everything, you click on next, and that's all about your configuration part of it. The last step is to select your distribution. So, distribution as the name suggests, right? It is once your AMI or a Docker image is created, you need to distribute it across regions or across AWS accounts. How you will do it, right? And this is the place where you will be doing it. You can share your AMI, you can make it, a public AMI or a private AMI. You can customize if there is any specific license configurations to be done. You can even create launch template configurations as part of the AMI, which will be inherited, right? And here I am replicating it to one more region. Once everything is done, click on next, and you click on create pipeline to create your pipeline. I already have a pipeline created for Windows 2019. It successfully executed and it is enabled. You can see that there are output images created. If I click on that, it will basically show me the AMI which is created as part of the EC2 image builder. Now, this is so easy to use, and I would suggest everybody to leverage AWS EC2 image builder service. Please let me know your comments and feedbacks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.